Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about how we can modify an existing user. So let's go to the system directly and see how we can modify an existing user. So I will go to the CMC and I will go to the users and the groups area. After that, if I click on the user list, I will be able to see all the users in the system. So let's say I want to modify this user. So I will just select the user. I will go to manage and properties. So here I can see all the different properties like account name, full name, email address. So I can change any property which I want as per the requirement. And apart from that, I can also disable this user. So here we have this option account is disabled. If I click on this checkbox, so the account will be disabled and user will not be able to log into the system. So in this area, if we go here to the user security, we can see which groups the user is part of, then the member of, and after that we have the profile values and the account manager. But mostly we use the properties area to modify the user, and we use the member of if we want to add the user to a new group using the join group. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can modify an existing user. Thank you.